Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. We have successfully completed the first week of July and it's time for me to update all the results, all the performance and also show you the live trading, evening trading sessions. So many of you have been commenting on me to upload more and more live trading videos so that they'll also get confidence to trade and also do the live trading session. So that is the reason I have uploaded today's live trading video and also the summary of this week, first week of July. So friends, evening trading session, let me just tell you once again, it's an session, it's a trading session started for people who are not having time to trade in the morning, who are working in the daytime, who are into businesses, who are into colleges and housewives who are busy cooking. So for all these people who are free once after 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, then this trading session is started at 6:30. A fund requirement is hardly 25,000 for one lot and we are doing it in natural gas. Okay, so natural gas is a very beautiful segment, same like crude oil. It has very good volume and very good volatility, and many make a good living out of it. So we also have been doing it from quite some time, and I've been uploading it regularly to you all. So if you want to just try it out, you can just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525 and just have a look at it. You can try for yourself for 1 week trial, or you can also take for 1 month and just check for yourself. So basically it is nothing but what I trade, I immediately place the signals in WhatsApp so that you also can trade the same thing. It's called as open trade. So friends, please understand, it's on an advisory. It's an open trade. What I trade, I'm just sharing. So whoever wants assistance or help can take it from me also, and you can also trade. So before going forward, this is my channel Angel Trading Friend. Who are watching for the first time, you can don't forget to press the subscribe button and also the like button. Okay, you'll be getting lots of videos on equities as well as commodities available both in Hindi as well as English. And if you want any support with any backlisted files or any support with any doubts or any confusion, you can always feel free to WhatsApp on this number 8095876525. Okay, so let us go to yesterday's video which I had used. So yesterday, see, I'll just show you how to place the trades and how easy it is. So yesterday's entry was 196, the sell price. Okay, so you can see trigger pending at 195.6. The same way I'll place the buy order also. The buy order is at 197.1. I have to keep a small buffer of 197.2. Okay, and target and the stop loss will be 1 point. So you can see that both the orders are in pending, trigger pending. Okay friends, so two things which you have to see here is just place the buy and the sell order these will be the levels which I'll be giving daily at 6:30. You can see the time recorded as at 6:30. So daily these levels will be given. You can also place yourself immediately, and the beauty of OCO order available in Upstock is that once one order gets triggered, that is the buy entry gets triggered or if the sell entry gets triggered, then the target and stop loss comes automatically. We don't have to again place it. Okay, so only one among these two orders you have to cancel, but the target and stop loss will come automatically. And once if the target is hit, the stop loss will be cancelled automatically. Otherwise, if the stop loss is hit, the target will be cancelled automatically. So this is the beauty. In case if you're traveling home in your bike or car or something, just place the order and then you can easily go home and then look into the results. Okay, so I'll just show you the results also. So you can see that the market order has been cancelled and the target has been hit easily yesterday. So we had a profit. So this is the beauty of OCO order. Okay, so let me just forward to you all. Yeah, so you can see that the portfolio natural gas, you can see that the buy average price was 194.90, the sell average price was 196. It means that we shorted first at 196 and we bought it back at 194.90, and the target was easily hit of 1375. Since I had kept 1.1, I usually do it to recover the brokerage also. I'm not recommending it to you initially. Initially you can go with one target and one stop loss. Only once your confidence level increases, once you are into the market for a long time, only then you can do all these kind of alterations. So I'm doing this basically so that I won't lose on my brokerage. So 100 rupees whatever the brokerage comes, I'll be recovering and my profit of 1275 is met. So friends, this is how we finished the week. So yesterday we were all in profit and the week also was in profit. The MTM also is 0 because I managed to stay out of losses. Okay, so this is a performance of natural gas in the month of first week of July. So you can see that natural gas had a very good performance and we are all in profits. June month end we had in continuous 3 to 4 losses and many of them felt bad, but you can see that all has been recovered. So this is the beauty of trading and the secret also. You don't have to give up. You have to continuously trade. Even if it is profit or loss, trust in the strategy and you have to trade. The results will come automatically. Or if at all you are having any doubts or any confusions or any worry, just implement martingale, so that even if there is any losses, you'll be recovering it in the next day or in the forthcoming days. But also there are rules and regulations for implementing martingale. It should not be done blindly. Any doubts you can just ask me. I will share you the secrets which I am doing. It's basically a money management. It can be used on any strategy. Yes, okay. So this is the performance of crude. Crude also, the average is in profits in the month of July as of now. Okay, so you can, this results have been shown for one lot. So you know many people can trade on multiple lots. So accordingly the results will be in multiples. Okay, so basically you have to see the percentage output. It has to be in profit. Yeah, and this is the equity performance. So equity performance also, we were in positives in the month of July as of now. July 6th we did not have any trade. The trade did not get executed as per our requirement, but the remaining days it all executed and end of the week we are in profit. So step by step, as you all know, we have to make ourselves into positive. So if in a month, if we are, for example, in a year, if we have to be in positive, you have to make sure that every month we are in profits. If for example every month we are in profits, just you have to make sure that every week you are in profit. So by just making sure that every week you are in profit, end of the month you will be in profit, and by end of the year also you will be in profit. This is a secret. Don't always think for big money and don't think you can become crorepati or millionaire in just 1 week or 1 month or in a short time. Just have patience. This is a secret, nothing else to be told. I've been showing you from almost 1 year continuously all my live tradings, all my live results. So you would have seen me gaining small profits, which has ended up into big profits. You would have seen me in the starting of the year, almost 1 year back, my results were in terms of 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. But now the results, MTMs, you would have seen it's in 10 lakhs range. So this was possible only because I was collecting small profits. If I was also looking for day one itself 10 lakh, 20 lakh profits, I would have not come to this level. So everything has a method and has a policy. So please follow it and have patience. So friends, thank you once again for watching this live trading video. And in any case, any doubts, you can just WhatsApp on my number. And in case if you want to avail these facilities of open trade, you can WhatsApp on this number 8095876525 and avail the service. So thank you and have a nice day.